Mamasita. Woo! We're feeling fabulous today, you guys. We got some wild hair going on. Oofda. We are ready to unbox. Gosh, it's been a hot minute since I've unboxed Barbella Box. That's right. Welcome to my channel, Saving Mamasita. For those of you who are brand new, I welcome you. For those of you who are not new, welcome back. Welcome back. So today is a fitness box unboxing for women. I've unboxed this box several times before. It is actually one of, if not my favorite fitness box that I've ever unboxed. So if you've missed any of my previous Barbella Box unboxings, you can check those out right up there. Let's get into Barbella Box. I am so excited. This box comes like this every single month. Now, it is a flat rate of $50 per month. It includes shipping. You don't have to get it every single month if you don't want to. You can skip it if you want. You can skip it every single month until you want to get it. It's totally up to you, whatever fits your budget, whatever you are in need of. What I love about this box is there are a variety of items in this box. You can get anything from fitness clothing, snacks, workout equipment, anything related to fitness. It could potentially be right in here. And let me just say one thing, and I think I've said this in every single Barbella Box unboxing that I have done. I discovered one of my now favorite fitness clothing lines through Barbella. Fleo. I love Fleo. Like every workout at home, I'm typically wearing a pair of Fleo workout shorts, because they are thebomb.com. If you have not checked them out, shameless plug right here for Fleo. Check them out. All right, so without further ado, let's unbox Barbella Box. Let's see what's inside this one this time. Okay, so it comes in this pretty little teal box. On the outside, it says strong is beautiful. Opening it up, here we go. Prince, you gonna help? So look at that. No. Okay, I think there must be a snack in here or something. Here's what it looks like inside. Right on the top, this is what I love about Barbella Box. They always include a postcard. And on the postcard, it says what is included in the box along with the values of each item, which I love. I love to know how much each item retails for. That way I can kind of compare and I can see if I'm spending my money the right way. Like this box, you're gonna pay $50 a month, which is a little bit higher for a subscription box. However, the value of this box is a total value over $106. So you're actually getting double your value, which is great. Now, I have had boxes that have been nearly $300 worth. It just kind of depends on what products they're featuring that month. So let's take a look and see what we get in this one. Okay, I'm seeing some workout clothing on here. I love receiving fitness clothing in my fitness boxes. It's just super exciting for me. There's nothing better than receiving fitness clothing because I feel like you have new workout clothing. It's exciting. It gets you motivated. It gets me motivated. I don't know. If I look good, I feel good, I want to work out. And as I mentioned before, Barbella has introduced me to some pretty legit brands as well that I would never have heard of had it not been for their subscription box. Okay, look at these pants. Wowzers. This is a wild printed legging. Oh my goodness. And it's actually not a full length. It looks more like a Capri style. Let's take a look. Yes. Constantly Varied Gear is the brand, and they are Capri leggings. They have a $54.99 value. Capri leggings are designed for you to move freely and make you look and feel your best. The stunning fit and the seriously amazing fabric, which I can feel is super soft and stretchy, and I can tell it's going to be comfortable. They're 100% squat proof, slip proof, and they come in fun patterns. Plus they have pockets. So look at those. Aren't those fun? I love blue, and it has a variety of blues on here and some purples. They kind of remind me of like some cosmic or like space or something like that. I don't know, but they're super fun. And for me, I'm always looking for a different pattern. Typically I go with basic, just black leggings or that kind of thing. So when I get a pattern like that, it does make it kind of fun. So $54.99 for those Capri leggings. Next up we have, okay, it looks like we got some chalk. Sunrise Sports Chalk Ball. Chalk your hands to greatly improve your grip for pull-ups, barbell work, weightlifting, gymnastics, rock climbing, bouldering, and so much more. It enhances your grip and increases friction while keeping your hands dry. $8.99 value. I am not a real big chalk user. I have been trying to use more of the workout gloves simply because I have been doing a lot of lifting lately and I do have calluses, so I figured I needed to step up my game and use workout gloves. Chalk would work just as well too, but I'm not a chalk girl, so I'm not sure I'm going to use this. Next item we have is a Evriholder grocery and meal planner. This is unique. Look at that. Grocery and meal planner. So it's kind of broken down. One half of it is a shopping list. The other half is your weekly meal plan. Every single day you can write in there what you want to do for your meals for the week. And it's magnetic, so you can hang it right on your refrigerator. This has a 52 pack sheets, so it will last you a whole year. So there you go. Tear off the meal planning sheets with a magnetic back to hang on the fridge. The left column, as I mentioned, features the daily meal planning section. The right is the perforated shopping list, so you can easily tear it off and take it with you to the grocery store. $4.99 value on that. I have never received anything like that in a fitness box, so that is really awesome, really thinking outside of the box, and I love that. Okay, we have a couple more items left. We have, ooh, what is this? This is a chalk bag. Limited edition animal print chalk bag, so you have your own personal chalk for the gym. No more reaching into a communal bucket of chalk. Place your chalk ball inside, take it with you for keeping a grip in the gym when you're doing pull-ups and barbell work. Pro tip, don't use chalk, fill it with snacks or gym bag accessories. So you don't have to use it for chalk or your chalk ball, it's multi-purpose. This is super cute. I'm not so sure about this big strap situation, but I like the bag. Doesn't have a zipper on it. It looks more of just like a drawstring type situation, which is okay. It has the drawstring on the front to tighten. Cinch it how tight you want. And this, I'm assuming, is to attach it to your gym bag to keep it connected there. So this is a $15.95 value. And as I mentioned, you could throw your chalk right inside the bag to keep it in there. All right, one more item. No, two more items left. This is a Vitamin Energy Focus. Boom. This is a Vitamin Energy Focus functional shot, $2.50 value. Vitamin Energy is keto-friendly, vegan, gluten-free, and non-GMO. It's packed with body-nourishing vitamins, up to 7+ hours of energy, no sugar crash, plus it tastes great. How much caffeine is in this bad boy? I imagine it's a lot. I don't like doing these things. It contains 260 milligrams of natural caffeine per 1.95 ounce servings. So serving container is 1, so it's going to have the 260 milligrams of caffeine. Probably won't use this either. I've never been excited about energy shots or drinks or that kind of thing. Last item is in this little box here. It is a Kettlebell Trinket tray, $18.99 value. It's an adorable Kettlebell Trinket tray to add to any countertop in your home or office. It's a handy tool for keeping jewelry, loose change, keys, hair accessories, or small office supplies in one place. So multifunctional. Oh, that is cute. It's just a little tray, like a ceramic type tray, and you can put whatever you want on top of it. And it has a little kettlebell. Super cute. So there you have it. Those are all of the items included in this particular Barbella box. Let's do a quick review, you guys, and then we will give this box a rating. All right, so here is a quick review. We've got the kettlebell tray. We've got the grocery list and meal planner, the Vitamin Energy shot, the little storage tote, the chalk bag, and finally the Capri leggings. So So all of those items, you guys, for $50. Let's go ahead and rate this box. Are you ready? Go ahead and rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. Okay, Barbella, let's go ahead and give this a rating. You guys, when we rate the box, we rate based on a few different factors. We rate based on the presentation of the box, how it's packaged, how it's shipped. Do they have a listing of the items in the box? Yes, they do. And every single time they have been consistent with their packaging and their actual listing of all the items in the box, along with their values. I freaking love that. That way I know where my money's going, how much I would pay for each item individually if I were to find them in a store or online. And I like to see the value versus the price of the subscription box. And then we look at the variety of the items in the box as well as the quality of the items in the box. Barbella Box. Looking at all of these items, you know, $50 is a little bit on the higher end. However, if you look at the value, $50, these are $54.99. So basically you're already paying for your box with this pair of leggings. Everything else is just kind of like an added bonus if you look at it that way. If you aren't a fan of the leggings and you're looking at everything else and you're like, am I gonna use this? Yeah, maybe. Am I gonna use this? No. Am I gonna use this? Maybe. Very cute idea though. I love that. I'm not a chalk girl, so probably not gonna use that either. The kettlebell tray is very cute. Am I gonna use that? I have a zillion trays, so I'm not sure I'm gonna use that either, but I might use it for a gift or a giveaway type situation. Let's go ahead and rate this box. Drum roll, please. Barbella Box, you are going to get a rating of a 5. You got a 5. You got a 5. You got a 5. You got a 5. 5 is average. Not so bad. Not so great. I have received better boxes in the past. Out of all these items in the box, I'm probably going to use the leggings. That's about it, honestly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, the notification bell. And as always, I will leave all of these items in my description area so you can take a look at them for yourself, along with a link to Barbella Box if you want to check it out for yourself. That's about it. That was a lot of fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you guys in the next video. Bye.